What? What's happening? Why everyone is looking at me? And where is my phone? And my camera? What's happening?
Hi guys, I'm Anna. Today I want to share with you some simple tips on how not to look like a total tourist when you're traveling to Europe in general. There is a few vital reasons why I want you to blend with the local population and not to look like a tourist when you're traveling to Europe. And first and foremost is your safety. As when you can clearly be identified as a tourist here, you become a prime target for pickpockets, scammers and other not very honest people around. And another reason, how you feel. From my personal experience, I do feel better when I blend in and look like a local, as it's not really a good feeling when you stand out too much and not in a good way. We all want to feel like we're at home, like we fit in, and we are a part of this community, not an outsider. And if you're traveling to Rome, to Italy, I have specific Italian style tips right in my travel to Rome guide. I also put there best places in town for best Roman pizza, pasta, Roman food and best places where you can stay in Rome. Please check it out, the link is in the description to this video, and enjoy your trip to Rome. So in this video we will discuss absolute no-nos, absolute yeses, and also little secrets how to elevate your look in Europe. And our first absolute no-no, active or any sort of sportwear, and especially leggings, my dear ladies. Huge no-no in Europe. In countries like Italy or France, you're wearing your leggings only in two occasions. First, when you actually go to exercise, or when you are sick at home. Don't get me wrong, I know they're so comfortable. It's so comfortable to travel wearing those leggings. Please don't wear them. Next, and let's talk about your shoes. Bring with you the most comfortable shoes you have, and you already wearing them like now. And don't even think about bringing first your heels. You will never wear them. Okay, maybe just once to kill your feet. And the rest of the time they will be taking a lot of space and weight in your luggage. Any new shoes you just bought. Wrong. Believe my word on this. In Europe, you will walk a lot. At least 20-30,000 steps per day. And I'm not even joking. Can you imagine doing this with your brand new shoes? You will destroy your feet with blisters, and I guarantee it will spoil the whole vacation for you. Okay, let's talk about flip-flops and sandals. Flip-flops, massive no-no right away. Absolutely not. The only exception if you're planning to go to European seaside like Sardinia in Italy or Nice in France, sandals you certainly can do. So I'm leaving it completely up to you to decide, but let me just show you my personal favorite choice. It all depends on your budget, of course, but these Gucci shoes, trainers, it was my investment back in 2018, and I have to admit they're the most comfortable walking shoes I've ever had. I even went hiking with them quite a few times and they survived. Second, and if you want more budget option, those are my running shoes. But because of their natural color, they will go just perfectly with white jeans and an elegant polo shirt. Fine, let's keep it short from now on. Mini clothes and all those mini shirts, mini dresses, crop tops, all those clothes you really need to pull down, not reveal your private parts. Those clothes are not considered to be sexy in Europe. They are considered to be vulgar and no class. First of all, you will get really nasty looks from the locals. But it's okay, you are ignorant anyway, so you will survive. Secondly, you will be denied the entry not only into sacred places like churches and especially Vaticano Museum, Sixtine Chapel, but also they might deny your entrance to the restaurants. Our next, and basketball hats and all those clothing covers with logos. Let me explain. First, Europeans don't wear those baseball hats, especially with the logo of the football team. And they prefer quiet luxury, when you cannot recognize the brand from miles away. So when you see fully covered Gucci or Louis Vuitton people, especially wearing a basketball hat, we know it's a tourist. And same thing, my congratulations. You are the easiest target for pickpockets, scammers, and other dishonest people who can recognize right away that it's your first ever time in Europe. You don't speak the local language, and in any case, you will not be able to report them to the police. Think, do your math, and leave those clothes at home. Next, and let's talk about your backpacks and bulky filming equipment. Okay, let's start with backpacks, especially like sporty looking backpacks. If your plan is to go hiking in the mountains, okay, you can take it. I know it's really handy. But for city walks, why? Why do you need it? It's heavy, it's bulky, it's very easy to forget and steal things from it. Yes, pickpockets in Europe love targeting back pockets. Back pockets of your jeans and back pockets of your backpack. So you never put any valuables in those back pockets. So why not to take a crossbody bag? It's light, it's secure, and it's very easy to keep it under control. It's small, it's super light, and you can keep everything you need for your city walk in there. Like your phone, your sunglasses, your sunscreen, your payment card if you need one, as I'm usually paying with my phone and with my attached Revolut account with Apple Pay. Anywhere I go, I never saw any country which would not accept Revolut these days. And you can choose this crossbody bag also based on your budget. This was my latest investment 3 years ago. So far, this is the most comfortable travel crossbody bag I ever had, where I can reach everything and super fast. And especially it's handy at the airport. It's so well organized and, come on, it's stylish. Or you can go for something more budget like this one. It was my crossbody travel companion for more than 10 years. Oh my God, it still have the sun from Sardinia. And it cost me £100. But I made it retired because I broke this part. And about filming equipment, especially bulky professional filming gear. I know we all become professional photographers and filmmakers when it comes to travel, and especially to the new countries. So we all tend to buy these professional, nice looking cameras we have no idea how to use. My advice? Leave this home. Let's rephrase. If you don't make any money with your photography or filmmaking, you simply don't need this equipment in Europe. Even after 3 years on YouTube, I still film all my overlays with my phone. Great quality of pictures and videos, super light and always with you. And it doesn't attract any unnecessary attention from people you would not rather meet in your life. Keep this in mind, guys. All devices like this are so easy to sell and very hard to track. So, what's the point? Just use your phone and leave this brick at home. And as I promised, how to elevate any look you have when you're traveling to Europe, even if you have only travel clothes with you. First of all, your shoes. Opt for white color or natural color of your trainers or your running shoes. Stylish belt. By the way, this is so cool. It has 2 colors. From my videos you can see that wintertime I'm wearing it on this side and summertime it goes on this side. Super handy. Add a splash of color with your bright silk scarf, which also can help you when you're visiting churches in Rome, for example Sixtine Chapel or Vatican Museum, and you suddenly forgot to close your shoulders. Keep this scarf in your crossbody bag, super tiny, but it will elevate any look during the day and evening time when you're planning to go to the restaurant. Much more sophisticated if you just add such a scarf. Classic oversized sunglasses, or even your travel Ray-Bans, and your stylish handbag to finish up the look. What do you think? Can I go like this to the fancy restaurant in Rome? Let's check it out, and I will see you next week. Ci vediamo. You can do whatever you like, you don't have to be ready. You just gotta trust the right, don't have to be scary. You just gotta follow.